Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily turn off the crossplay for your Battlefield 2042. So click on options and get to the options. Now when you're going to be in options, you want to click on the general, and when you're going to click on the general, you're going to see right here a crossplay, and you just want to turn it off and off. So this is how you can do it, and you can turn it on or turn it off. So again, I go back. I'm going to win Battlefield 2042. I'm going to click on options and crossplay off or on. And now if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, support. You know how it goes, you know how it is in these realms and in this life. And yep. Options, general, crossplay. If this video was helpful, what you can do is to like the video and write down below in comments that this video helped you, so when other people come here, they know that it actually works. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya.